Hi everybody, welcome back. Belinda here. Today I'm working on a 12 by 16 inch canvas, and I will run through the colors as we go along. So here I have Deco Art 24 karat gold, and I'm only going to place a little bit on. I don't want the gold to take over. It has a tendency of doing that very quickly. And then I've got some Mars black. Again, I'm just putting a bit. And here I have antique white. Now, I actually love this antique white. I haven't used it in a very long time. And I have dark green. Maybe this is not the dark green. Okay. This is actually bright green. So I'm not sure how these colors are going to turn out, but we're going to find out. Actually, I'm loving those colors already. So then I have burnt sienna, and I'm not sure if you guys, have used burnt sienna much. It has a tendency to actually turn pink with the white, weirdly so. And let's see, let's go in with some more of this antique white. So guys, if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, please do so. And give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And you can leave your comments below. Okay. Maybe I'll just put a teeny bit more of that green on there. That gold looks like it's already taking over. I don't want to put more black either. I think that's quite enough black. Let's give this a torch. So you see what I mean about the gold, it takes over very quickly. Okay, let's see. How am I going to do this? Alright guys, I'm loving the cells that are popping up. Beautiful. That green is not too bad. Gold's gorgeous. I'll give it a bit of a torch and then I'll see what else. Okay, I think I'd like to actually blow a little bit to the center. That's very, very pretty. And I might give this a bit of a torch. I have a lot of paint sitting right here. Actually, that green is really beautiful. Okay. So this brown really takes over, and I know that I've used brown before and it's done this, it's taken over quite a lot. Alright guys, I'll bring you in for a close-up. Alright guys, this is it. It's actually been drying for about 24 hours now. I absolutely love these little cells that have popped up over here. I think the color combination was really, really good. Except I think next time I would probably use less brown. So I think those cells there turned out amazing. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in any of my artwork, then please contact me on withBade@gmail.com, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys, bye.